Hello guys, let's just take some break and let me tell you more about this Pixellab. Pixellab is a great app that is being used for mobile phones and that steps in for this generation for you to use your mobile phone and create attractive graphic design concepts.
So getting to the design properly, the first thing you have to see when you open the Pixellab is the text box on the screen. So what to do is to just tap on it and tap the delete button at the top left corner and you get rid of it. So for the design you saw on the thumbnail, we want to quickly get in the backgrounds. So fixing the background first before the rest of the activity on the design. So to get the background, just have to insert a shape. It's a plain shape actually. So you could tap the plus button here to find your shape, or on the contrary, you could also get a shape from the toolbar on the down right corner. The hexagonal shape here opens to a lot of tools. You need the shape and the rest of them. The A is for texting, the double square here is for background. So like I said, you could get the shape from here. So let's just tap on the shapes here, and then first one I want to fill up the entire space with it. So that is kind of a light ash color, something like that. So just go for color. The first color is the fill color, which is the color for the shape in particular. The second coloring is the stroke color, which is the outline color. So I want to deal with the fill color here. So just tap on the plus button and there, so you could get more options. Even if you what you have maybe there with the plus, you could get more options. So I think I got what I want. Just tap on that. Okay, I think yeah, that's good. So I want to insert another shape again, another square we go. So I'm good with that. This time around, let me go with the plus sign part, so you see you could get it from here also. So tap on the shapes as shape here as well. So I want to move it up here, so straight from one end to give me uniform distribution. So set it up properly to your choice. Yeah, so that's that. Okay, that's that. Accept. Oh no. I have to edit quickly. I shouldn't have accepted. I've not colored it. So I want to give it a kind of a darker ash, but purplish ash. I will just say purplish ash. I hope you get me. So that's that. Okay, I want to accept that. I think I'm done with the backgrounds. So I want to quickly go to the layer panel. Up here, these two rumble shape here, the layer panel, you could lock them up so they don't run around while you do your designs. So I'm doing that. Tap on the layer panel, so it goes away. So this is the background. So quickly I want to get in the images for this design. The first image I want to get in is that of Messi Chimo. So to get images, what you want to do is to tap on the plus button up here. It shows you a lot of stuff like I said earlier. So from gallery, that means images. So with that, I have some images downloaded here already, at least the ones I need for the design. So I got one of them here already. So that's that. So accept this image with a good sign down here, accept it. So I want to get rid of the background for this image, and I want to do that with the tools here. I could see eraser. Good. Tap on the eraser. With this eraser tool, you could get rid of backgrounds. So the first bar here shows you the size of the eraser, the radius, and the second deals with the blurriness. You could notice that the blurriness or sharpness of the edge. So I like to keep it blurred, so I will have a very fine image background remover. So that is that. I'm getting rid of the backgrounds already, as you can see. So that's, I'm trying to be fast on this. So you could do that with on your own design. You could just be a bit slower to maintain very good cleanup. I'm just trying to be fast. Yep, sorry. I undid. I made a. It was SS. I have to undo the bar that I tapped. So at this point, I want to be a bit careful here. You just tap to wherever you want. So I want to reduce the diameter of this a little, so I could have a closer touch. No, undo it all much. Oh, why am I doing this? Just to get something cool. Yep. Okay. May not be perfect, but not that bad. So accept that. Think I'm good with that. I want to drop this image here, and then the second image I will not have to go through the remover process. I'll just have to show you the image. So that's it down here. I did the same thing, just got it from my gallery, and you could also download from the gallery from your, you could download it online to make use of it. So that was what I did actually, and I'm good with these images. I think just drop it, position it right. For the other one, I want to increase the size a little as well. No, I want to get on this. I believe you notice I am dealing with them is not that difficult, kind of. So at this point I want to quickly get in my test, hit on the text there and double tap on the top right corner seeing the text there. So I want to get rid of the sample. The name is actually Judike, Judike. Okay, that's good. Then I have to put the plus sign. There's a plus sign there. Judike plus. Okay, good. That's good. So okay, accept that. So I've seen it already. Okay. And then you want to change the font pattern. That font is not so good. I want to give it a fancy font. Yep, I've seen one already. Okay, I'm going with this. Okay, it's kind of too light. Bolding it, accept the bold. Good. So after bolding this, I want to quickly accept that. Then I want to give it a shadow. Give it a shadow. Enable shadow. Good. I want to reduce the radius. The opacity is 100 already. You could make it thicker by enabling outer glow, but that would be too thick, I guess. That would be too thick. I want to take off the outer glow and just go with normal shadow. Okay, so I want to accept that. So quickly, I want to add up the next text. So add text. Get rid of this stuff. The next text, Messi Chinwo. That's all in capital letter. Messi Chinwo. Okay, that's good. As none of this and enter in between. Okay. Get it to order. Get it to the place. Cannot too big. This needs to be. You could set it to whatever you want actually. Well, okay, I want to center align it. That is the Messian. Good, accept that. You want to broaden it a little, it's kind of too thick. Scroll bold. Okay, good. You want to give it shadow as well, so it looks like the order. Enable shadow on this. I think that's cool. Then want to position it a little bit better. Okay, I think we'll make it do with this. So the name, okay, the brand logo, the brand, the music brand, the logo, I think I downloaded that already. So from gallery, quickly go for that. Where's that? I just saw it. Oh, reduce the size so much, it's too big. It's too big. We must be getting our design. What's happening? Okay. We just have to keep this here. We don't have time, so use the positioning to set it a bit centralized. I may not be perfect on this, trying to make you see how this happens. So I want to add the name of the music. More than good. So still on test, add test, double tap to edit it. So get rid of that. So more and good, I say of the same font, so we could just attend to them at the same time, then later I'll put it down, THAN. So I will have to accept this, accept that. Where is this? Sorry, I'm editing. Space kind of seems too much. Accept that now. Yeah, I have to change the font style. That font style is not okay for that kind of brand. See something on my, if I could have anything on my recent, this may be good. This okay. Okay, I think I love that. Then give it a color. Good color will not be bad. Color. Where is it? That's it here. Color. So a good color will be okay. To get a good color, I think it should be somewhere around here. From there you could see blend of good. So I think this is not bad at all. Good. I want to give it a black shadow. Maybe that could give me the effect I want actually. Let me see what inner glow looks like on it. Kind of too thick. I don't think I like that. So let me just give it a shadow, a black shadow. No, that's too bad as well. So enable this. Okay, I think we'll make it do with this. Then I want to add the down. Add test. Am I done with this? Add test. So I want to quickly put that circle round of THAN, more than good. It's actually the name of the music. It's a great music. Changing the font is very important. I have to give it a fancy font. Where am I fancy? Let me check on recent. Okay, that's cool. I have one setting that. Then I want to give the black color. That's going to fit it more. Color. Where are you? Good. So black, black. Good. That is quite small, so I will have to use a position to get it to order. I can't. My finger wouldn't really get to it. So that's that for that, guys. I think if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe to it. You could do more than this. I just did this to show you samples and make you see you could do a lot with Pixellab. Thanks so much for the time. Thanks so much.